Even if you're a beginner trader, you are going to be profitable in the next year. I promise you, I guarantee you. But it seems like that's a little bit far away because you keep hesitating, even though there is a picture perfect setup right in front of you. And when you stare at that picture perfect setup, everything lines up. The zone's perfect, your trend lines are perfect, and you told yourself this is the exact trade that you've been waiting for. And still, you hesitate. You hesitate, and then you miss it. And then you beat yourself up for missing a trade that won. And then the next time, you start forcing things that are way too early just so you don't miss it again. But that one loses. And now you don't trust anything. Sound familiar? Because this happens to almost every single new trader. And it's not because you're not smart or not prepared. It's because you skipped the crucial steps that beginner traders always skip. So here's what I mean. You learn the strategy. Cool. Great. Maybe you even backtested a little, got some data, and then what? You go straight to live trading, but with real money, real emotions, and real doubt. And no wonder you don't trust your own entry. No wonder you hesitate and flinch when it's time to click. You haven't seen enough proof of your strategy and your ability to trade yet. And trading with no proof is like trying to perform surgery after watching YouTube videos. You technically know the steps, but your hands will always shake when it actually matters. So here's what actually works, and it's so freaking simple that most people ignore it. Trade in layers. You need to trade in layers. So you start by going live. You start trading by going live, okay? But zero money on the line. Yes, real charts, no demo, no simulation, and just watch the market and call the trades out loud in your head. For a full month, every day, watch your system work as the market moves in real life. Not theory, actual behavior. Start building evidence, and you're going to start to notice something. Even after a loss, if you wait for your setup and follow the plan, another trade's going to show up. And you're going to start to see patterns, but not just in price, but in outcomes. And that's how you start to build that confidence that you're missing. And then in month 2, trade a little bit, 0.01 lot size or a micro contract if you're on futures. Month 3, 0.02. Month 4, 0.03. Slow, but intentional without any rush. And by month 10, yeah, you're trading a 0.1 lot size with full trust in your process. Because that's real progress. Because what's better, trading a 1.0 lot size with zero trust or a small lot size with full trust? Because that's an experience. That is experience you can build a career on. And you might only be making a couple hundred a month. And I say only. But now you're a sniper, not a gambler. And all you need to scale is not your ability to trade, not your trust, but just your capital. You don't need more hope. You don't need luck. You just need sizing. And this is how you cure hesitation, not with ambition or motivation or getting hyped up. Just practice. And the reason you hesitate is because you are still guessing. You're still trying to feel certain before you enter the trade. But in trading, uncertainty is built into it, okay? And the certainty that the professional traders seem to have, it doesn't come before they practice, it comes after. And after hundreds or thousands of your perfect setups, after weeks of seeing it play out, after you build that trading muscle that can lift that heavy weight. So give yourself that time, one layer at a time. No skipping, no shortcuts. And this is how you get the thing that every trader wants, but few actually build: unshakable confidence when it's time to enter the trade.